Fucking all that damn moisture in my damn headlights, boy. I'm pissed off about that now. That's when they got money, boy. Look at that. Look at that. I made my drink. Oh, buddy. Nice. You got the breakfast in here when you come in here? I ain't got my money. Oh, excuse me. See, they make it feel decent. Let me see what I want.
Within what, 9 to 6?
Motherfucking sea chips. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, got a little bit of candy up in here. Candy? Boy, look at that. I'm about to fill some candy. There we go. All right.
11-point round.
Let's walk around here. Let's see what they got. Matter of fact, you can tell a lot by a company, by their bathroom. Let's see. Keep your hands washed. Let's see how their bathrooms look. Oh, look nice up in here too. Trash on the floor. They come to clean that up though. Okay, somebody don't know how to flush. I don't need to let y'all see that. This stuff good too, boy. Platinum. Platinum working with. Platinum nice up in there. Oh, that thing high already.
No, this beer is mine.
Yeah? It's got like a, what, a 3-inch lift on it? It's got a lift on it already?
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh.
Yeah, 2019, just like that.
And it come with that lift like that, huh?
Yeah, everything.
That's nice. I know, right? I know. If I was back in the trucks, I would get one. Dang, good up in there. I got the head wrap. Wow, these trucks. Ooh. I had the 4-cup holder. I ain't seen that ever. Big mirrors. Looking like the Game of Thrones. The head just on the wall. But it's all forward though. That's Thunderbird. Okay. Stick shift Thunderbird back in the day, boy. I like that mint condition. Don't look that bad. I'd buy it if I had the money. Big white walls. It's old school right there, and wide white walls, boy. Ooh-wee. Look at that bumper look like. Drink out the front. Original shaker. Original shaker. Dice in the windows. You know, it's old school right there. But look at this. What is this? Venue? Hyundai Venue? Yeah, this thing's small on the inside. I like this seat pattern though. I like the way that's set up in there. Looks nice. This is gonna seat nobody though, especially not myself. Looking all up in their cars and stuff. Man, this thing look good. Got a roof in it. A baby SUV with a roof. Okay. All right, that's what's on their show on the floor. Let's see what size wheels come on this little one. Can't see them. Let's see here. Yeah, they can't see them. Okay. Okay. 205 17s on them. Okay. the wheel set up over there. You got your boy on the list in that alignment. I don't know how off I am. Huh. They out here, boy. About to let them all ride past me too. In the rear view. Knew he was gonna do it because he just pulled me over. Look, I seen it happening. I seen it happening. Yep, he just pulled me over. That Thundercat tight as hell though, ain't she? I didn't know dude drove that junk on the road.